Hey, welcome back.
Hey, welcome back.
We're going to the foyer.
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 Oh no!
Oh,
What's wrong?
she's upset. Let's go see what's wrong.
Oh no!
Jeez.
I hate the noise that she makes.
She sounds
so
really
sad.
upset. The eggs. These hard-ass eggs. These hard-boiled eggs.
Do you think that you can find true tears on the battlefield?
Shut up. Don't make that reference to me. Anyway, crying's cool and all. Let's take a break.
No, go! Go!
No, come on. Yeah.
What are you doing? You're just wasting time.
Not wasting any time. Take a break.
Make hay while the sun shines? What the frick?
That's a really, old person phrase.
I've never heard that.
Well, now you have, because Tally said it. You've really never heard anyone say that?
No.
Wow.
Oh.
She has right here. So, let's go see her. Very slowly. That's as far as I can go that way, so. A little platforming.
Whose shoes are those?
Mine.
Those are some pretty big shoes.
Yeah, I know. We've got some really big shoes to fill.
God damn it.
Like my joke?
No, I hated it. I'm sure they did too.
Who?
You know, the people watching.
There's no one watching this.
Oh, or watching it.
Did you hate it?
Yes.
Then shit.
We've been over this.
Anyway, that's as far as you can actually get up on those stairs, so.
Oh, but she helps you up.
Yeah.
Hello.
It happens a few different times in the game. Uh-oh. Wow.
Oh, she looks so
She
sad.
looks devastated. She gave me a little kiss. I love it. I wasn't actually doing that, but... I'll have to grease my palms a little bit.
Does Telly have poems?
He's got little fins. Grease them fins.
Ew. Well, I guess he probably has to, because he's a robot.
Them greasy fins.
And,
Oh, greasy fins, we call
to
them.
keep them, working.
Yeah. Greasy fins.
God, stop.
Grease. Anyway, yeah, we breached the perimeter. That sucks. That sucks. I love the real,
slow
scroll. And you can't skip ahead in that either. You can't
Yeah.
go fast. You gotta just sit there as he, screams.
Go in the door.
Let's check out what's in fucked up Hellzone. I mean,
Chibi-Robo fucked up Hellzone.
Zone with 100 moolah. I love that it's called moolah in this game.
Yeah.
Hey, we're going to the basement. Again, we were here before, if you remember.
Yep, there was a giant robot and a pirate, and you died, and it was really cool.
But now, one of my favorite characters is here. And by favorite, I mean, I think I said 5th favorite before we started. I think we established that this upcoming character is my 5th favorite.
Wait, didn't you say it was second?
I did, but then I remembered there were other characters ahead of it and retroactively changed.
Oh.
That's my favorite. That's one of my favorite characters, though.
I barely saw him. Oh, yeah.
My favorite character is Drake Redcrest. I figured that much was obvious. Yeah. It's a really good babble.
So, what is this guy exactly?
What is he, or what's his deal?
What is he? He's got
He's
a teapot?
He's a teapot.
Is he just a teapot?
Well, the bottom part is probably like a burner that warms him up. It looks like his head is a teapot that like sits on top of the body, which is probably like a burner or something that you can like light and it keeps your tea warm.
Yeah, okay.
That's my guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see? Really enthralled by this.
Me too. He's got so many hands.
Yeah, they're all weird. Also, so many like moving parts that are moving separately from each other.
Yeah.
It's wretched.
Oh, I love Splatoon.
What?
He's got like a mask like the squid.
Okay, I get it now.
Yeah.
Took me a second. Didn't really... So what do you think? Is it gonna open? Port side peeper.
Yes, I think so.
Port side peeper.
Where'd you get those?
Creepers.
Mm-hmm.
It's me, I'm the creeper. Where'd you get me?
At the trash store.
Yeah? The trash store?
Yep.
Where they sell people like me. Anyway, yeah, sure. We agree with the pirate, whose name I already forgot. Plankbeard? Yeah, that's
Plankbeard.
it.
What else could it be? He's a wooden pirate.
It sucks, so I love it. Ugh.
What's it gonna be? Neither.
I don't think it's gonna open.
Well, doesn't he have to open one of them or something? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
This is taking a while.
Yeah.
Nope. Nah. So if you notice, like, his model's slightly different. In this one, like, his eyes are part of, like, just the texture.
Yeah. Oh man,
Zooms in.
he's got two different models. That's cool.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
So what do you think those like lower hands are for? Because they don't.
It looks like they're,
really-
like, folded and, like, it's because they're pointing backwards. They're pointing, like, folded hands, like, no one at home can see this, but, like, this.
Yeah,
they're folded
like
in front of him.
crossing his arms
Yeah.
like under his pot
Yeah.
body.
Actually, it was, like, last video. So, I don't know what he's talking about. Hell no.
Why not?
Because that would take forever, and it's really boring.
Are we gonna get to hear it eventually? Okay.
Anyway, look at all this garbage.
Catch up.
First, we're gonna finish up what we did last time. Remember, we climbed all the way up there to that birdcage?
Yeah.
That like nasty, rusty, broken birdcage.
What do you think happened to the bird?
Probably lived a long, healthy life.
Yeah, I'm sure.
There's still poop in that cage. Disgusting. There's a couple things we need up here. Can't go that way. There's too many nails. Great, thanks. Game design. I mean, I guess like if you're gonna put something up there, nails are probably the thing that makes the most sense. It's just kind of funny. It's like someone randomly jammed a ton of nails into this plank, so you had to go around.
They had to fix the house, and but they couldn't hire somebody.
So they just nailed a bunch of nails into a plank. Anyway, I was thinking you could like use the blaster to open these crates, but no, not yet. I need an upgrade one first. But hey, look.
Oh, it's the charger.
Yep, sure it is.
How does he know what you're doing?
I don't know, but this like depressing music starts playing again.
Yeah.
Song always makes me like really sad.
Yeah? What's that?
Yeah, that's an important thing. The reason they had to shut Chibi-Robo down in the first place is because he costs too much to maintain. So, charging the battery using their power wouldn't do any good.
Mm-hmm.
So we're not going to do that. We're going to use our own money.
Man, that Giga-Robo sounds like a nice guy.
I bet he's a dick. Also, he doesn't have a leg. So, can't get Giga-Robo going unless we have the leg and the charged battery.
Mm-hmm.
Getting Giga-Robo functional is kind of the, like, end goal of this game.
Yeah.
Like, if you're considering this game having a, like, main plot, and I say it in big, like, air quotes, that's the way you do it. But for now, let's talk to the Great Pico, because this game isn't really just about the main thing. That's part of it, and it's useful, but there's so much to do that that's just one part of it.
Yeah. It's also about, like...
Let's cleanse our soul.
It's about cleansing your soul, yes.
It's about cleansing your soul. It's about achieving enlightenment. One thing is there's things called stickers in this game, and you get them for, like, finishing plot arcs, for the most part. So we're gonna go... This is a full sticker run. I'll be getting all the stickers in the game, which means I am 100%ing the game, essentially.
Cool.
Yes. So, essentially, we're giving up our money to achieve enlightenment.
How much will you purify?
So let's purify, like we can do it in increments of 100. So let's go with, you know, let's go 300.
Whoa, that's steep. Damn.
Yeah. Nice.
I don't know about that one.
Here we go.
This music rolls.
Listen to this music. This is my shit. Sorry, I was getting really.
You're like doing stuff with your
little finger
hands.
things here. So, on the soundtrack, this song is labeled as "Glinting Cosmic Mambo."
That's
I
really
think that's
good.
a fantastic name.
I really like his up
There's
close
like a UFO in
model.
the background also. Yeah, he's like weird flappy mouth. His like beak.
Yeah,
It's like
he's
a
got
duck or
like a
something.
little beak.
It's like kind of like duck-like almost. So we gotta guess which eye is gonna open, essentially. And if we get it right, we get money. We get double our money back. But if we get it wrong, we lose that money. God, I love this song.
Well, is your soul clean?
Yes. Well, maybe not. We'll find out.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
I just
So,
wanted to
do we
know.
think that eye's gonna open or not? I went with no. This is pre-recorded.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think that's obvious by now,
Yeah.
but I think it will.
Ooh, we got like
Yeah.
opposite thing going on here.
Yeah,
One of us is gonna be
yeah.
right.
Yeah. Come on, open. Oh,
Boom!
hell yeah!
Boom!
Wait, what?
You did the same thing the pirate did.
No, that's
Something
right.
wonderful has occurred. I am correct. Yep, but I got it. Yeah, so my soul owns
Mine sucks.
in. Also, check out his like cool swirl eye.
Yeah. It
So we
kind
got 600 moolah,
of nice.
which means we got 300 more than we had. You know, we can just keep that rolling if we wanted to. This is not part of the plan. Nice. Ooh,
I will.
saucy. So that was cool.
Yeah, I forgot all about that guy actually.
Yeah, he's like one of my favorite characters because he's just this total con artist who lives in the basement. and
I
he
do
sees-
not like the pirate music.
Yeah, that kind of sucks. So, you think we should? Because, yeah, we blew him off a minute ago, so...
Well, why didn't we just do it then?
Because I wanted to do the thing first. I wanted everyone to hear that music. Telly wants to be here for this. You know what I like about Telly?
What?
He does his best.
He does.
He doesn't freaking out that he got called squid bait. He doesn't like it. But yeah, like, Telly's so sincere, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I like that. I respect that.
Yeah, Telly is... He doesn't... Like, okay, he's your manager, but he doesn't really know a whole lot about, like, the
no
world.
idea what he's doing.
Or anything.
Yeah, it's great. In, like, I probably mentioned this in a video already, but I think it's really weird because, like, in the other games, in the translations, like, that exist, I guess, of 2 and 4, because 3 never got released here. Like, of 2, Photo Finder and Ziplash, that is. Like, Park Patrol, Ziplash, and Photo Finder. He calls you Sir.
Yeah.
I don't like it. Also, I like the way the money spinning, like, slows down, speeds up.
Why does it do
I
that?
don't know, it's kind of a satisfying animation, though. Couldn't even eat. We're so hungry.
Oh man, that's really sad.
Look up. I love Chibi-Robo's idle animation, though. Just wiggling his head like that. As evil as a barnacle
in the bed.
That would be really unpleasant.
Have you ever had a barnacle in the bed?
No, but I bet it would hurt if you rolled over onto it.
I don't... Okay, what is a barnacle?
Barnacle is a type of shellfish, essentially. Like, it's related. They're related to clams or something, I think. And they attach themselves to, like, ships or, like, whales and stuff like that. And they're borderline impossible to get off, but they're also alive.
Yeah, I didn't realize that they were alive. That's fucked up.
Yep, barnacles are living creatures.
Am I allowed to cuss?
I've been cussing this whole video.
Oh. I haven't noticed. Oh, Telly, your
Telly
eyes.
is just having a horrible time.
Telly talked himself up.
Nice. He just did a spit take. Dang.
Aww.
Oh no.
Oh.
This dank backwater. Yeah, weed jokes.
His beard looks like a weed.
No, it doesn't. It
Yeah.
really doesn't at all.
It's green.
Have you ever seen weed before?
It's
No.
green, right?
Yeah.
Ah. I've seen a lot of Grateful Dead posters.
I don't know anything about Grateful Dead, to be honest. I don't like their music.
There's a lot of weed on there.
Nice. So, yeah, he wants to sail the seas, but he doesn't even have a ship.
No, it's a dinghy.
You're a dinghy. Boom! How's that?
So we gotta find a ship.
We already know where the ship is. We saw it on when we went outside. We saw it in first person view.
Right, I remember. Wink.
You don't remember, do you?
No. I didn't. I couldn't remember if like it's always out there or if it only like shows up once you have the
No, it's always out there.
conversation. Okay.
But getting Plankbeard back to sailing the seas is his plot arc. Of his mission. He keeps spitting all over Telly. I love it.
Bye, Telly.
Cool. So, do a little bit of cleaning, as we do. And that's the end of that day.
Get the box.
Yep.
Oh. No.
We would have had to push it off and then go grab it. It wasn't really time.
Yeah.
I wanted to get in a nice little... Oh yeah, check out this weird camera thing you can do.
Now it's daytime.
Yeah.
Good morning.
And we're back at the house. Good morning. I think we ranked up.
Yes. Because it wouldn't do anything at all if
Nope,
the number
we didn't
change,
rank up.
right? Oh.
Didn't rank up enough to get like a battery.
Oh, okay. Well, you still ranked up.
Doesn't really count. I mean, like really ranked up. Yeah, I love that.
So they're gonna charge it so that the Sandersons don't
Exactly,
have to.
with our own money. So we actually funnel money into that. Takes 10,000 moolah to charge. But yeah, that's all for today.
Cool.
So next time we'll work on getting that thing charged up. What do you say? See you later.